Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we got a few stories to go over, but first off, if you enjoy anything in this video, you find any of this information helpful, please consider leaving a like, subscribing, and turning on post notifications so you can get alerted whenever I post a video and be here for this relevant information. Thank you, I appreciate it. So absolutely nothing interesting going on with Bitcoin. It's hovering around in this range between 36.5 and 35,000. It is technically putting in higher highs still. You can see this wick was slightly higher than this high right here. And you could also make the argument that we're forming a bit of an inverse head and shoulders here. So if we were to take the targets of that, so it'd be from the neckline down to the head, and then put it at a potential breakout point. So let's say it breaks out right up here. We could have a target somewhere around 38,000. So that would be good because for Bitcoin we want to get back above this 37.5-ish area and hold it as support going into next week if we are to expect any bullish action from Bitcoin next week. Alright, so jumping over to Ethereum real quick too. Ethereum is putting in higher lows here, as you can see, and technically is also putting in higher highs here. So about my Ethereum trade yesterday, I closed it out right here because I noticed we were stalling out a little bit, and I'm glad we did, because even if I had ridden it out for all of this, I would have only gotten a little bit higher than my price if I sold this wick. So I'm happy with this trade. I ended it with about 19.5% profits, give or take. Alright, so let's jump over to the news stories now. First up, Russian oligarch Deripaska blasts Bank of Russia for ignoring Bitcoin. Russian industrial tycoon Oleh Deripaska is the latest figure to criticize the Bank of Russia's stance on cryptocurrency regulation in the country. Deripaska took to his official Telegram channel on Thursday to blast the Russian central bank for pressuring the crypto industry to avoid getting involved into cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Okay, that was really bad grammar, but okay. And if you don't know who this guy is, so he is a Russian oligarch and industrialist, the founder of one of Russia's largest industrial groups, and he was at one point Russia's richest man, but lost a substantial part of his fortune amid the 2007 through 2008 financial crisis. So that explains why he is bashing the Bank of Russia on their stance of cryptocurrency. Because as we know, Bitcoin was created as a direct response to the 2008 financial crisis and to fix the blatant flaws that the current financial system has. Oleh Deripaska, you do your thing, man. Alright, next story. HEB depositing crypto kiosks into some Texas grocery stores. Some HEB shoppers will soon be able to have their cake and crypto too. CoinCloud, a digital currency provider, announced it's depositing crypto machines into more than 24 HEB stores as a part of a massive expansion. The kiosks provide customers access to more than 30 digital cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, the one we don't like to talk about, Litecoin, several US dollar stablecoins, and numerous DeFi tokens. CoinCloud's entrance into HEB stores will also mark the 2000th machine for the company, according to a release. As cryptocurrency increases in popularity, though some of us still don't understand it, no matter how many experts we ask, the company says it's expanded rapidly and has added over 750 machines in the past month. So, some people still don't understand cryptocurrency no matter how many experts they ask. Why is that? I think it's because the quote-unquote experts are here to mislead you rather than to help you understand it. It is a relatively easy thing to understand. If you just look up how Bitcoin is deflationary and simple supply and demand economics, then you can understand why it has value. Now, DeFi is a bit more complex, but it's still not hard to understand why DeFi should have value in the future. And the fact that they're putting this in news stories makes me think they were paid to do that. Let's just say that. Okay, moving on to the next story. Portugal grants first crypto exchanges operating licenses. The central bank announced that Crypto Loha and Mind the Coin will be able to operate in the country. The Central Bank of Portugal, Banco de Portugal, has licensed 2 cryptocurrency exchanges for the first time. In an official statement, the entity announced that it recognized Crypto Loha and Mind the Coin as virtual asset service providers. This is the first time exchanges have been licensed to operate since a new law around crypto trading platforms took effect earlier this year. The approval came after nearly 9 months. Crypto Loha first filed for approval on September 29, 2020. Okay. Crypto Loha plans to launch operations in the next couple of weeks, Borges said, adding that the company allows customers to open online accounts but has not yet enabled online trading. According to Borges, Crypto Loha will seek to bring together Portuguese people who are looking to invest in cryptocurrencies and do not feel confident enough to open accounts in foreign exchanges. Borges added that the greatest adoption of crypto in Portugal is among the new generation of traders, although the company will seek to promote the crypto ecosystem among people of different profiles. Alright, so this is good news for Portugal. It's looking like Portugal is hopping on the Bitcoin wave and looking for some financial relief from the US dollar's inflation. Now, another little interesting fact is that your gains are not taxed in Portugal, at least as of now. So, I might have to move to Portugal. Alright guys, well, that pretty much does it for this video. If you enjoyed, please consider leaving a like, subscribing, and turning on post notifications. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.